Dear students, today we are going to see the lesson Genesis of Carnatic Music. This lesson, Genesis of Carnatic Music, is adapted from an article by Dr. Amuda Pandian. In this extract, one can see the origin and history of Carnatic music, Indian classical music, including its two varieties, one Carnatic music, two Hindustani music. Indian classical music is a rich tradition that originated in South Asia and can now be found in all corners of the world. The North Indian classical music tradition is called Hindustani, while the South Indian music tradition is called Carnatic. Hindustani is practiced mostly in North India, and its origin comes out of a mixture of indigenous music and the music of the Middle East as brought into India by the Mughal emperors. Hindustani and Carnatic music remained same until the 16th century. But after 16th century, one can find huge difference in both Carnatic and Hindustani music. Though there are lots of books available to define the characteristics of Hindustani music, in order to thorough the style of music, one must seek the assistance to study Carnatic music. Ravi Shankar, whose name is often preceded by the title Pandit, which means master, and sitar maestro. Maestro means a famous sitar player. As an Indian musician and a composer of Hindustani classical music, he is the best sitar player during 20th century and influenced many of the musicians throughout the world. He has won India's highest civilian award, the Bharat Ratna, in 1999. When Ravi Shankar is asked for the theory which he applies in his music performance, he replies that for performing music, one has to study the origin of South India, that is Carnatic music. Carnatic music, also spelled Karnatic, Carnatic, or Carnatic, Carnatic, music of southern India. No one invented Carnatic music, but it is believed Purandara Dasa, who lived from 1484 to 1564, is regarded as Pidamaga or father of Carnatic music. Carnatic music is a form of music that is used by the English who landed in the Malabar coast practice. This music from Mysore to Thiruvananthapuram. This South Indian music is music for the this South Indian music is also called as Dravidian music for the five states of South India: Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, and Karnataka. Tamil language has been the mother language for these four Dravidian languages in old period. Hence, it is termed in different names such as South Indian music, Carnatic music, and Tamil music. In order to rejuvenation of Indian art in the 19th and 20th century, Tamil music is renamed as Carnatic music. It is developed 1000 years ago. The great Tamil work Tolkappiyam shows the existence of highly systemized Carnatic music. It is believed that scientific and systemized music should have been practiced in Tamil Nadu even before the time of the Tolkappiyam. The ancient Tamil music system exists in Adiyarku Nallar in the preface to the Silappatikaram. The Tamil musics are exist in Sangam literature works such as Agatyam, Isai Nunakam, Indrakaligam, Gunnul, Kootanul, Sayantam, Saitriyam, Talavagai Ottunul, பெருங்குருகு பெருநாரை மதிவாணர் நாடகத்தமிழ் நூலின் முறுவல் பெருங்குளம் யாழ் வீணா with 1000 string and other yawl with 21, 17, 14 strings which are destroyed in the above mentioned works even in their own time. Carnatic music is based on sound scientific principles. It has 24 halagus. These halagus are determined by keenly listening the notes sa and pa. Though Tamil people good in mathematics do not use mechanical appliances for finding out the notes as they may find practical difficulties in using them. They develop a high degree of musical sensibility, emotional response to music to distinguish very minute halagus. The other melodic mode is Chembalai, known as Sankarabharanam. Some stanzas in the Paripadal written by Nalanduvanar, who lived before the poet Ilango. The high standard of the music is used in one of the stanzas of Paripadal and it is a translation work. The Carnatic music consists pans, thalams and notes are mathematically derived to the finest level to give maximum joy. Harmony is scientific and beauty is in harmony. The songs from Paripadal are written in praise of the deity of Napananar and set to music in Pan Gandharam by Marudanalla Chatunar. Those who get music out of the divine Brahma Veena, the who create music with their fingers out of kulal, flute, and those who enjoy the music of the yal by producing the palai from the ili and the kural, neither too loud nor too soft but in a middling degree. Those who makes the noise of the madam, that is drum, to be in complete combination with the thalam beat of the music of the kural in the yal. Here the author explores the origin and history of the Carnatic music and how it influences across the world. This lesson highlights Tamil systemized music is used in the Sangam literature works. Thank you.